Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Tsuzuki Inu token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, let's get right into this. We're going to head over to Trust Wallet. And I'm just going to let you know as well, I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer Ethereum inside of this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description as well as the comment section down below. So if that is needed, go ahead and watch those first. But you're going to have Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet before we move on to the next step. So just make sure you have that and you're good to go. But once you have that there, all we have to do is head over to CoinMarketCap for the contact address. So I'll have a link in the description for the contact address for this token. So you guys just head over to that link and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you're in CoinMarketCap here, all you have to do is go down to where you see contracts and go all the way over to the right where you see the two squares. So you just go ahead and click on those two squares and then you'll see the copy notice at the top. So then the contract address is copied. So now all we have to do is head back over to our Trust Wallets. Now, once you're back in your Trust Wallet here, you just want to go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the two lines and two circles and click on that. Once you click on that, you can just go ahead and paste in the top search bar the contact address that we got. You will then see no assets found, add custom token. So we're going to go ahead and click on add custom token. We could leave the network as Ethereum, and then we can go ahead and paste the contact address in this section. Once we do that, everything else will load in automatically for us. So we can just go to the top right corner and then click on save. Once we click on save, we'll now have a spot for the token to go once we swap for it. So we're good to go here. Now all we have to do is head over to Uniswap. And I'll have a link to Uniswap over in the description as well as in the comment section. But of course, as always, you guys can Google the Uniswap exchange yourselves and just make your way over there. Once you're on Uniswap, I'll then show you guys what you have to do next. Once you're on Uniswap here, all we have to do is click on Connect Wallet at the top of our screen. So we're just going to go ahead to the top of our screen here and click on Connect Wallet. Once we do that, we'll see a couple options here. We're going to click on Wallet Connect. We will then see a couple different wallets that we could choose from. So you guys can choose MetaMask, Rainbow Wallet, it does not matter. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then this interface is going to open up inside of our Trust Wallets, asking us to connect to Uniswap. So we're going to have to do this in order to swap our Ethereum over to this token. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect at the bottom here. And then we're going to head back over to Uniswap. Now, once we're back on Uniswap here, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top corner here, as well as our balance of Ethereum right below the Ethereum logo here. So once you guys see that, we're now good to go. So we're going to click on Select a Token, and we're going to paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap right in here as well. So we're going to go ahead and paste it, and then we'll see the token pop up here. So we're going to click on Import, and then Import one more time. Now, once we have both tokens ready to go in here, the last thing that we have to do is check on our slippage tolerance. So we're going to go beside where we see the settings gear and click on the settings gear. We will then see slippage tolerance right here. Now, most tokens do work on auto, but you may have to change the slippage tolerance. And if you do, so if it doesn't work on auto, you can put 12%. That's usually the amount that you have to use for most of these tokens. But like I said, you go ahead and try on auto the first time. But if it does fail, I would recommend starting off with 12%. But once you have that set up here, we can then go ahead and put in the amount of Ethereum that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say if we wanted to do 0.5 Ethereum, I can go ahead and type that in, and then it will show me the amount I'll get in exchange for my 0.5 Ethereum. Now, once you guys are done with that and you're happy with what you see here, you want to go ahead and click on Swap. And then once you click on Swap, it's going to show you your gas fees and your withdrawal rates and things like that. Now, I'm just going to let you guys know gas fees are insane right now when you're trading Ethereum tokens. So just be aware of that. Unfortunately, it is the way it is because of the price of Ethereum. There's unfortunately nothing we can do about that. So when you're swapping Ethereum-based tokens, just be aware that your gas fees are based on the price of Ethereum. So if everything does go well and this project does end up going up, you may have to pay a good amount in gas fees on the sell as well. So just be aware of that before you go ahead with this transaction. I just want to make sure everyone was aware. But then, of course, if you're good with that and you're comfortable, you can go ahead and click on Swap the second time. You should then get a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that notice, we can then go back into our Trust Wallets, and then the token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.